Don't know if you guys could see that. Pincushion Mountain. Used to do that one all the time. I'm gonna go for a big bend though. I did Temperance Flat once. I don't think I even did it all the way either. I got like halfway and then came back. Oh man. Alright, let's see if we can get some nice shots out here. Actually, this is gonna make a good shot. Down there is where we just came from. Oh, damn. Oh, shit, that's deep. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a little like buoy thing over there. I gotta change lens real quick. The fact that I'm changing lens just for this one shot. It's not the greatest lens, but should be able to zoom in enough. By the way, I'm not here by myself. I mean, there's other people around, but a bunch of strangers. Came out here on my own. I used to do it all the time. Sometimes you just gotta go out by yourself, have some alone time, and just enjoy it. There's a difference between being alone and being lonely. By the way, if you guys are wondering what equipment I'm working with, I'll put it somewhere on the screen right here or in the description. Oh yeah, this trail is way better. A lot easier to do. It's crazy that I still have signal out here. Looks like we're getting close to some kind of peak. There we go. Now that's a view. See that other trail? Goes up that way. Whew. I wonder if this will work. See if I can still do it. Hopefully I'm not blocking the screen. See, this is just peaceful. And you can see there's more of a trail over there, but I'm not going to go that way. Amazing. There's another bird right over there. Freaking zoom in on it. This is like the fourth take at this point. So I just finished editing the video that you guys are currently watching. I'm trying to keep my voice low because it's late. Just wanted to say thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new. I plan on doing a lot more of these types of like POV videos in the future. I don't know if you guys even like these. I just wanted to try something new, really. But yeah, so catch you guys in the next video. I don't know, explosion.